I'm Jennifer Angel. These are your stars, Virgo. Now, this week, the week commencing September the 9th, Mercury, your ruling planet, which has been in your sign, Virgo, which is always nice to have your ruling planet in your sign. It's a very comfortable position for it. And, with you, it just helps you to be able to think faster, clearer, communicate better. Not that you need it, Virgo, but a little bit of help in anything in life is always a good thing, isn't it? Now, this week on the 9th, so early in the week, which is the Monday, Mercury is going to transit into your solar second house. Now, this is all to do with money and possessions, but there is a square with Mercury and Pluto later on in the week, on the weekend, the 14th. So you don't want to assume anything. There certainly, is the chance of mix-ups to do with money, certainly on a personal or a business level. And you just want to, as you would always, Virgo, make sure the T's are crossed, the I's are dotted. You don't want to leave anything to chance, and you don't want to make any assumptions, no matter how well you know somebody, okay? And be careful if somebody's trying to, on the other hand, trying to coerce you into doing something that they feel you should be doing. Not always a good thing. You may be a mutable sign, but, I have a number of Virgo friends, and when you want something or believe in something, then you will dig your heels in. And so that's one of those times here as well. So be careful that you don't, dig them in too much. It's always good to keep a little bit of flexibility. Now, the other transit that I want to mention this week is Neptune and Venus trine. So you want to be prepared to make the romantic moves. I mean, Venus is sitting there in your solar third house, so it's a house of communication, and Neptune is right opposite you there in your relationships. So, but you don't want to perhaps sit back and just wait for fate to take its course. I mean, we do have free will, so you need to sometimes give your life a little bit of a push as well. All right. Okay, I'm Jennifer Angel. Have a great week, Virgo. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next week. Bye for now.